Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can remove blank cell in a spreadsheet. In a spreadsheet. So, first of all, I open a spreadsheet that contains some text and empty rows. So, first of all, I select all, then I select data, then create a filter. Once you create a filter, then you need to click the down button and clear all. Just select the blanks here and click OK. Then click the first cell and press Ctrl Shift plus down arrow, then delete selected rows. Boom, you can see the all blanks cell removed in just a second. If this video is very helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for more quick tips like this.